Okay, here it is. Tuesday afternoon, June 11th, 2019. I'm at my shop. Didn't make it here last night. Got home, dug some cable out of the lawnmower and did some mowing at the house. You know, housework comes first. Got to keep the wife happy. Don't want to make her mad. I'm on her good side right now, so I want to keep her happy. But I'm at the shop right now, and I'm gonna work on this lawnmower right here. That's my free lawnmower, and I don't have the tripod to hold my camera, so I'm just gonna have to work on it and come back to you every once in a while and show you what I've done. And go from there. I don't know what I did with my tripod. It got lost in the move, I guess. I'll have to look around here in a little bit and see if I can find it that way. There's my Nova still in the background. I ain't done nothing yet, but I want to get this lawnmower started and get it out of the way, and so I can get it and use it at the house. And anyway, let me get started on that, and I'll come back and show you what's going on. I'll talk to you later. Okay. Wipe that little drip of sweat off my nose. Okay, I got the lawn tractor running. It's not running right now because of the little bit of gas I had. I ran it out. It's 16.5 horse motor, so it uses quite a bit of gas. It hadn't run in 2 years, and once the carburetor filled up, it started right up, no problem. I gave it a little shot of ether too, so I cheated a little bit. The drive belt's in pretty bad shape. I'm sure the mower belts are too, but I'm just gonna run them until they go out. I've got to get more gas for it. The way I started it is that if you look down in there, I don't know if you can see it, but right there's the positive side to the starter. That's the only way I get enough juice to it to get it to start. The battery's completely shot. New batteries ain't that much, but to me right now they are. I think I've got one at the house that I can use on my other tractor, so I may try that. But if I can get this one running, and it needs the starter solenoid. It's not engaging the starter solenoid at all. I don't know if it's the switch not getting any power to it. I haven't been able to test it yet. I'm going to get on that next. I put a power light on it and see if I'm getting continuity, or get a light when I turn the key into the start position. And if that's the case, then it needs a solenoid. If it's not getting power to it, I don't know what to do to it, but it's turning over now and it's starting now. So I think we'll just work with what we have for right now. So I guess I ain't got nothing else to do there besides change tires, and it's a little hot today. I'll wait till tonight to do that. I'm guessing I may get started on this transmission in the Nova here. Hadn't got it out yet. I gotta get floor jack up under there with the transmission. I have a transmission table for it somewhere. It may have got lost in the move too. I'll have to locate it and go from there. But I think I'm gonna get that transmission out today and get it out from under the car. I'm not gonna work real hard at it. It's pretty warm today. I'm sweating just standing here. And I may just freaking clean up on the shop today, who knows. Did get my son's truck over there. Well, if I don't fall before I get there. Got my son's truck there. It's got I'm 6'2". It's got a pretty good lift kit on it. It's 6-inch lift. It's only got 33-inch tires on it. They look tiny. So I told my son, you could put 40s on there easy. well, I don't know if my little engine will pull it. And I said, your little engine, that 305 will pull it. They came with them. You know, not this year model, but the newer year models came with the 305, so it shouldn't be a problem. I've got trying to think here. I've got some stuff I can do, you know, other than you know, just jacking around. So I may, like I said, I may go ahead and get that transmission out. I'm gonna put that that transmission right there in there. That's the back half of a turbo 350 that's been built. It's got a shift kit and all that in it. It's manual valve body. If it's the original transmission that I had, I put it in a 78 Z28, and my nephew took it and left it over a buddy's house, and then it come back with that, and I don't know if that's it or what. It was painted black. I told him my transmission wasn't black, and he said, well, that's what was in it. And I was like, no, I don't know, but we'll find out. If it ain't, it'll be rebuilt to the same specs. So anyway, I'm gonna take a break for a minute and cool off, and then I'll get started on this transmission. All right, we'll see you in a minute.